Well, Barbara, all businesses, but especially small businesses and their tax advisors, complained about the repair regs last year. Are we ever going to hear anything besides complaints about this subject?
Well, there's relief here too. Remember the de minimis safe harbor for tangible personal property? Just to go back, if you have an AFS, you can deduct up to $5,000 per item or invoice. And if you don't have an AFS, those are most of our small business clients, then you're limited to $500 per item or invoice under this de minimis safe harbor. What's an AFS? Well, it's an SEC filing. It's an audited financial statement, and only large companies get audited financial statements, or it's any other kind of financial statement that's filed with a state or government agency other than the IRS or the SEC.
I certainly recall it, and we could use some good news on the subject.
Effective January 1, 2016, the $500 limit goes up to $2,500. Practitioners and small business owners had asked the IRS to increase the $500 limit, and in this case, the IRS answered favorably.
I know there's some bad news in there somewhere, and I recall that in order to use this de minimis rule, businesses must have a written accounting procedure in place at the start of the year. Are you telling us that it's too late to do that for this year's taxes?
Well, for those without an AFS, you don't need a written accounting procedure, but you do need an accounting procedure that requires a consistent treatment on books and records for this type of write-off. And so we want to make sure that our clients have the necessary procedure in place.